Hey everyone, recently YouTube has made it a whole lot easier to customize your YouTube channel by adding this customization tab. You'll find your channel trailer, featured videos and featured sections and many other settings all in one place in YouTube Creator Studio. Before, it used to be in many different places and it was difficult for users to find that particular settings. So in this video, I want to show you the new update from YouTube and how to use the customization tab to customize your channel to how you want it. So I'll be showing you all this on a computer rather than a mobile device, as at the moment YouTube Studio app does not have this option. So to find your customization tab, you need to go to youtube.com and then tap on your profile picture and then tap on YouTube Studio. Once the page loads, then look over to your left hand side and you'll see the new tab, Customization. Click on it. And there you go guys, it'll give you different options to customize your channel. The first one is your channel trailer. You should add a channel trailer for any new watchers to let them know what your channel is about. This will help them decide if they want to subscribe or not. If you press add, this will allow you to choose a video from your YouTube library. Private videos won't show up on this list. Only the unlisted and public videos will show up. Press add and you'll be able to select your video from the YouTube library. Then you have featured video for returning subscribers. So this is where you can decide what videos you want your returning subscribers to see. It's a good idea to change from time to time and you can add one of your most popular videos which may interest the viewer. Press add and you'll be able to select your video from the YouTube library. Then in the third section you have the featured sections. This section will show up on your channel page like this. As you can see, my featured section consists of the recent video I have uploaded. You can add many other sections as well by tapping on the add section. YouTube gives you many different options like popular uploads and many others. You can also change the order of the feature section. Anytime you make a change on this page, don't forget to press the publish button at the top right of the page. At the top right of the page, you can also see your channel link and you can share that with other people. Then on the next tab you have the branding, and in this section you can change all the branding related properties with your channel. So it gives you a chance to change your profile picture, your banner image and your video watermark. Profile image is the image that shows up as your profile picture. Then you have your banner image which is related to your channel page. Lastly, you have the video watermark which lets you put a small icon at the bottom right of all your videos, and it also adds a link to that image to subscribe to your channel. Finally, we have the last tab which is your basic info, and in this tab you'll be able to edit your channel descriptions. In this section you can describe what your channel is about and how many times you'll be uploading so your viewers know when you will upload the next video. You can also specify how many links you want to add to your banner and the link itself. So for example, I have an Instagram page which I want people to see. Lastly, if you have any contact info, so if viewers want to contact you so they can email you directly, for example, making a business inquiries. And there you go guys, that is a new update from YouTube where you can find almost everything that was on your channel page. You can find it here in the customization tab of your YouTube Creator Studio. This is a very exciting and a useful update from YouTube for users to customize their channel. Thanks so much for watching and make sure you subscribe to this channel as I make many other social media and tech tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next one.